Hey, to turn on or off the power saving mode on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, first of all, you have to open the settings. Now from this, you will have to actually reach the battery settings. And first of all, I can recommend you to click right here where you can actually adjust the power saving mode. So for example, you can turn off the always on display. You can also limit the CPU speed to 70%. You can also decrease the brightness by 10% and turn off the 5G. So for example, if you want to still get the 5G when you get the power saving mode, just unclick the switcher and then turn it on. Also, you can limit apps and the home screen. So for the maximum power saving, this option actually allows to only select apps, and it will actually limit all background activity, turn off edge panels and change to a dark theme. So there's like this extreme battery saver. And that's basically it. As you can see, that's quite simple. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.